Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you all doing today? How everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. I hope everyone is feeling healthy this morning, because you know we're doing the hot water challenge, guys. Hot, you see the steam. You see the steam flowing out from the cup. So this is no joke, guys. I'm not just telling you guys to do it. I'm doing it as well. The hot water challenge, it helps clear your arteries, it helps your heart to pump, it helps cleans your system. It's very important. No sugar added, guys. No sugar added. Just hot water. If you want to add a little lemon, that's fine. You want to add a little ginger, that's fine, but no sugar added. Guys, this is for your own health. This is for your own benefit. Please, guys, we want healthy people. In this time, you don't want to get sick. You want to be healthy. So you eat healthy, you prepare your body right. You want, when you get old, 60, 70, you still could run. You don't want to be sitting down at 60, can't do anything, guys. So please, participate in this. It's very important. I have my cup. I'm drinking my hot water, guys. So don't forget the water challenge. All right? Please participate in this water challenge, guys. It's beneficial to you. It's healthy for you. So let's get started. 60 days. And we are on our 4th day now. All right? So the days is counting. We are on our 4th day now with the water challenge, and I'm feeling blessed. I hope you're feeling blessed as well. So let's go. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Oh, I forgot to tell you this. I forgot to mention this in the water challenge. In case someone now hearing the video, do not eat anything for 40 to 45 minutes after you drink that hot water. Do not drink anything or eat anything after you drink that hot water for 40 minutes. All right? So thank you, guys. Hope you all enjoy. Have a blessed and wonderful day.